Do you know that you can be paid by just reading? Yes, it is possible. In today's video, we are exploring apps that can pay you to read books, articles, and more. So stay tuned to find how you can turn your love for reading into a steady income. So if it's your first time to see this face on the internet, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so that any video that I'll be uploading on YouTube, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Now the first app is Reader Coin. This app pays you coins by reading articles. You earn these Reader Coins on your smartphone, and these Reader Coins can be redeemed into cool cash or gift cards. Now Reader Coin is a user-friendly and offers a variety of reading materials. It is a great way to earn money while enjoying your great reads. And the best part with this app is that anyone can join and then start reading on this app, hence making some extra income in his or her pocket. Now next one on our list is called Wattpad Futures. This app allows you to read stories and novels written by various authors. You get paid by reading and engaging with sponsored contents. Wattpad Futures is a great for those people who love discovering new stories and supporting emerging writers while earning on the app. Moving on, let's talk about drawbacks. This app offers various ways to earn money, including reading articles. You earn points for each article you read. Hence, these points can be redeemed into cool cash or gift cards. Drawback is a versatile app that offers a multiple earning opportunities. So you can use the links in the description to get a startup bonus. Now the next app is called Inbox Dollar. This app pays you to read emails and articles. You earn money by simply reading emails and engaging with the content sent into your inbox. Inbox Dollar is ideal for those who want to make some extra cash while doing something else. It is as simple as that. Next app that I personally love using is called Medium Partner Program. This platform pays you to read and engage with articles written by various authors. The more you read and the more you interact, the more you earn on this Medium Partner Program. Medium Partner Program is best for avid readers who love engaging in high quality content. Now remember, most of these apps you can use the link in the description. If you cannot find the link in the description, you can head on to Google Play Store, then type in Medium Partner Program. Then download the app, install it into your device, use your Gmail account for registration, then start reading articles written by various authors on this platform to maximize your earnings. Now another interesting app is called Book Review Jobs. This app connects you with authors and publishers who pays you to review their books. Remember, your honest review on this app helps them to improve their work, hence targeting a larger audience. Now this app is perfect for those people who love reading and giving reviews. Onlinebookclub.org often pays its members who often gives detailed reviews and participate in book discussions. Onlinebookclub.org is ideal for those people who love reading and socializing while sharing their thoughts on books, hence earning some extra income. Voice.com is a platform where you can be paid to read aloud. If you have a good reading voice, you can find gigs for audiobook on this website. Now this platform is perfect for those people who love reading stories aloud and want to earn money with their voices. Now, if you want to maximize your earnings on this app, you need to be consistent. You need to take reading your daily habit. Explore apps and websites to see which website pays more than the other. Then join that website and then start reading, hence making money online. Now the requirement for this app is that you need to have a smartphone, a reliable internet connection, and a little bit of your time. And remember, there are various apps that we have not covered on this video where you can get money by just reading. This is just for today's video. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to make another video on how to get money online by reading articles. So there you have it. We have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly go on and do so that any video that I will be uploading on this channel, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Feel free, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section.